Now you can literally combine multiple photos, restore old blurry images, and even retouch skin all just by typing a few words. Photoshop new AI update is absolutely next level. Let me show you how it works. I've got this low quality photo and I'm going to bring it back to life in seconds. First, go to Window, Contextual Taskbar and make sure it's turned on. Now I have got 3 ready-made prompts for 3 different cases, one for restoring photo quality, one for skin retouching, and one for combining multiple images into one. For this fixture, I'll use this photo restoration prompt. Just copy it using Ctrl and C, go back to Photoshop, and make a selection of the whole photo using the rectangular marquee tool. Now click on Generative fill, paste your prompt with Ctrl and V, select the Flux Context Pro model and click Generate. Wait a few seconds and there you go. All the lost details are back, the sharpness is improved and the photo looks so much cleaner. But if it still looks slightly pixelated, don't worry. There's another AI trick for that. Go to Image, Generative Upscale, choose 4x scale and click Upscale. And there you have it. Let's compare before and after. It's insane. Every little texture and detail has been restored perfectly. It literally looks like a brand new photo. Now let's move to the skin retouching. Here I've got a photo with visible acne and blemishes. Make a full selection of the face. Copy this skin retouching prompt and open Generative fill again. Paste the prompt, switch the AI model to Gemini 2.5 and hit Generate. And just look at that. No acne, no dark spots, everything looks smooth and fresh. But the best part, the skin texture stays natural. It's not over smoothed or fake. And finally, let's try something mind-blowing. Combining multiple images into one using just a prompt. I've got a white canvas here. Let's place one image first. Then go to File, place Embedded and import a few PNG images. Now make a full selection with Ctrl plus A. Copy your image combination prompt and paste it into Generative fill. Click Generate. And there it is. Photoshop instantly merged all those images and created a brand new realistic composition that looks like an actual photo shoot. All of these features are currently available only in Photoshop Beta, which you can download from Adobe Creative Cloud. Honestly, this update feels like the future of editing. You just describe what you want and Photoshop does the hard work for you. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.